So at what point did you decide that you were going to venture into becoming a CEO of a company to address the needs of your kids?
I mean, pretty quickly.
Yeah.
After he was diagnosed, although it took a little while to understand or to figure out in what way.
Yeah.
But I very soon after his diagnosis realized that I am not going to be able to go back to my previous job. Mm-hmm. I was at JP Morgan in London. I was a banker. And I just wasn't interested in doing that anymore. And I thought maybe there's a chance I could do something different that would also benefit my son. And once I started Googling on my BlackBerry at the time.
I love a good BlackBerry.
I kind of found out a bit more about biotech and drug development and a few companies that were working in Duchenne and who the investors are. And it sort of clicked in because it was sort of tangential to what I was doing for a living, just in very different sectors.
Yes.
And, with Annie, my wife, we kind of thought, why not? Let's give it a go.
It's interesting. How do you think that your experience as a banker helped during that journey, and how did it challenge you during that journey?
So I think, to start with, there's a lot of biotech that I cannot do. Even after doing it for, 13 or 14 years, I still need a ton of very smart people around me to explain stuff to me, to make decisions that I am not really in a position to make, and to get involved in the more scientific part of drug development.
Yes.
It turns out that there's many other pieces to drug development that are less scientific and a lot more similar to what I did for a living, including management, fundraising, legal, partnerships, decision-making, building organizations, doing transactions. There's so many other aspects to drug development that are not pure science, and I felt a lot more comfortable there.